Welcome to our channel. Paying your Wells Fargo credit card through their mobile app is quick, convenient, and ensures your payment arrives on time. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make a credit card payment. Step 1. Download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android if you haven't already. Step 2. Open the app and sign in using your Wells Fargo username and password, or use biometric authentication if you've set it up. Step 3. From the main dashboard, locate your Wells Fargo credit card account and tap on it to view the account details. Step 4. Look for the Pay or Make a Payment button, usually displayed prominently on the credit card account screen. Step 5. Select the bank account from which you want to make the payment. This can be a Wells Fargo checking or savings account, or an external bank account you've previously linked. Step 6. Enter the payment amount. You can pay the minimum payment, statement balance, current balance, or a custom amount. Step 7. Choose your payment date. You can pay immediately or schedule the payment for a future date before your due date. Step 8. Review all payment details carefully, including the amount, source account, payment date, and confirmation that you're paying the correct credit card. Step 9. Click Submit Payment or Pay Now to process the payment and wait for the confirmation screen. Step 10. Take a screenshot of the confirmation for your records, noting the confirmation number and expected posting date. Step 11. Check your credit card account within 1 to 2 business days to verify that the payment has been posted and your available credit has been updated. Step 12. Set up automatic payments through the app if you want to ensure you never miss a payment by scheduling the minimum payment or full balance automatically each month. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.